Hey Brad, Jessica Peterson here. I spoke with Karen earlier and she thought you should be the one to check out this video. I'm super glad she got it for you because today we're going to go over 3 strategies you guys can start applying right away, and it's going to make a significant difference for your business. And I know that it will because we've tried these same strategies with over 50 other restoration businesses just like you guys across the US, and it has been a huge success. Right now you have practically 0 people, I think you have about 3 on average per month, finding their way to your website, which means that you're losing 60 to 70% of your business every single month by not having these strategies in place. So today we're going to talk 3 main strategies. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks, okay? So here we are on your website, okay? Let's see. We do have click to call buttons, so that's awesome. Good job. When it comes to ranking on Google, it is all about content. Content is key, and you need a ton of content. And content can be in videos as well as images. We want to make sure those are optimized. So if we look at this image here, it does have your brand name, which is okay. But we really want to focus on your local buyer intent keywords. The keywords people are actually searching for your services. 99% of the time, they've never been in this situation before, so they don't know who you are. They're not going to be searching for Western Sky. They are going to be searching for water damage restoration. And so whether it is Cheyenne water damage, Cheyenne, water damage restoration, Cheyenne, those are the type of keywords you want to be optimizing every single photo throughout your entire website, as long as it makes sense. The keyword needs to make sense with the photo on what you're talking about, okay? And then your written content. You do need a lot of this written content as well as a separate page for each of your major services. So fire and water damage should not be 1 page. That should be at minimum 2 pages, okay? You need a separate one. And your remodeling, there's lots of remodeling, bathroom remodeling, kitchen remodeling, ADUs, all of that stuff, they all need separate pages. Google requires that so you can focus 1 page on a specific topic, answer the questions your customers have around that topic, and focus on your local keyword for that topic. So your entire homepage and all of your services need to have those local buyer intent keywords, okay? Those are keywords where people are ready to buy. So instead of going after Cheyenne Restoration Company, where people are doing more research, when you go after water damage restoration Cheyenne, that's a buyer intent. Those are people that need help now. Okay, so those are the type of keywords we need to focus. So you have to make sure you have a good keyword strategy with this content. This home page is the most important page of your entire website because it ties all of these other pages together like a big pretty bow for Google that explains what everything is about. Okay, so this page should be about each of your major services and wrapped around those local keywords. And being the most important page of your website, it needs at least 1,500 words of written content on this page or more. If your competitors have 1,500, you need more than they have, okay? So you need a lot more content here. If your competitors have 1,500 words, you're going to try and get 1,800 or 2,000, okay? So you always have to do more. When we're competing against our competition, we always have to do better than they're doing. So better quality content, more content, and dial in that keyword strategy. And then if you're servicing outside of Cheyenne, you really need to consider having service area pages so that you can focus on content for each area that you serve so that you can actually be found in all of those areas, okay? So now if we look at your top organic competitor in Cheyenne for water damage, we have ServPro. And yes, they are a franchise, but they are extremely beatable. These guys, franchisees, are not allowed to modify most of the content on this site. So they get this very generic information on their site, and they can't go after the keywords or strategies that they need to. So all you have to do is better. Have more content, better quality content. Focus on that local keyword strategy. Write more long-form blogs. All of those things are going to help you to be able to outrank SERVPRO, okay? And now we know when your customers are doing searches, they're going to do a search similar to this, okay? And when they do, there's 3 main spots on the first page of Google that your business has the opportunity to have good position in. And the first is almost always going to be ads, which could be cost per click ads and even these local service ads. And these can be a very good opportunity for your business if that's what you want to do, as long as you have your foundation set up and everything dialed in. But if not, you're going to get pretty poor ROI, and we should probably focus on these other areas first because they are getting majority of the search volume. So now this second section here, this is the Google Map Pack, where your Google business profile should be showing up. You want to be in this top 3 for each of the services that you're offering, because 30% of people come straight here and don't go anywhere else. And so when you're not one of these top 3 companies, that's 30% of the revenue you're losing per month. And every single one of those customers is like you personally handed it to your competition. Okay, we don't want that. We want to get you guys up here. So in order to get up here, you need to optimize that profile and go and get a bunch of citations, way more than your competition has. And so a citation is like simply listing the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like the Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Glassdoor, Angie's, Houzz. All of those are great citations. So we just need more of those than our competitors. And then every single one of those now will send information to Google telling them about your business, the services you offer, and where, okay? And then this third section here, this is the most important section. This is your organic section. And it's so important because 60 to 70% of people, they skip the ads, they skip the maps over here, and they come right here. And so your website needs to be here. And if it's not, you're losing 60 to 70% of the jobs that come through every single month. So in order for your website to show up here, it all comes back to the basic foundation of this website being properly built and structured with the right content and keyword strategy. Remember, Google sends crawlers to your website, which are like mini robots, and it scans all of this information to understand who you are, services you offer, and where. And when it doesn't have that information, it's impossible for Google to help you to promote you so people can find you, okay? So with that right content, then you got to support that with a backlink SEO strategy, which brings us to backlinks. And this is Ahrefs, a paid tool we use to tell us how a website is performing. And we can see here you have a rating of a 3.6 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google doesn't trust your website. And that is partly because of the quality of the website, but more so it is the power you're sending to your website. And we send power to the websites with backlinks. You do need a lot of backlinks. You need more of those than your competitors have, and we need to be pushing this power every single month. But not all backlinks are good backlinks. You have 99 and a score of 3.6, which says that you have quite a few spammy backlinks that are not helping you. They're actually probably hurting your score, okay? So we need to be only going after good quality backlinks, and those are going to be do follow links from other websites of other home service type businesses like plumbers and roofers and vendors and magazines that are related. Once you get those type of good quality links, it increases the trust, the score goes up, and Google promotes your website up higher so people can find you, and they're going to help you to rank these keywords. Right now, your website really doesn't have much content, so you've only been indexed for 8 keywords, and you're only getting about 3 people to your website per month, so you're missing out on hundreds of potential people landing on your website and over 60% of your jobs every month. If we look at your keywords, you have 2 keywords that have hit the first page of Google, but they're in Russia, So you got Russia traffic. We don't have anything ranking in the US, okay? So we really need to work on that content and keyword strategy. Now, if we compare that to your competitor, their local area has a rating of a 4.6. But because of the power of this website, it is able to push power to these back pages. However, the quality of the site's just not there. So they've only got 6 keywords and they're only getting 7 people to their website. So these guys should be super easy for you guys to knock out of the park. But you do have to follow each of these strategies that I've just shown you today. Okay? So when you do follow these strategies, you have the opportunity to absolutely dominate in your area for each of those services. So please feel free to take this information, run with it, apply it yourself, and get started today to start driving that traffic. But if you would rather focus on what you do best and have a partner in growth, give us a call here at Peterson SEO, because this is our specialty and we specialize in working with restoration companies just like you guys. So feel free to reach out, ask questions, respond to my email, or give us a call, and we would be happy to chat with you. And I'd also love it if you can give me some feedback on this video so that I can continue to improve and do better. Okay? So thank you again for watching, and I do look forward to hearing from you soon.